Leon, the gym smells like paint and pumpkins. I like it.
Same. The spiderweb cloth looks great on that door.
The principal gave one rule: no screaming.
Right. The clinic next door needs quiet.
We can still make it spooky but soft.
Soft ghosts, soft lights, soft voices.
I wrote calm lines for us.
Read them to me.
Welcome. Please walk slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Good. And if you feel scared, look at the floor lights.
I also have hand signs. This is slow. This is stop. This is okay.
Clear hands, clear hearts.
The fog machine is on the lowest level.
The speakers play Wind at volume 2.
Our outfits look nice. You in a dark cloak.
You in a silver witch hat.
Cute, not crazy.
I taped the silent rule sign by the entrance.
I will make tea for our voices later.
We are a good team.
We are. Doors open in 30 minutes.
Let us walk the path once more. I start at the door. I say, welcome. No screaming, use calm steps.
I wait by the lantern stand and guide the first turn.
If a group gets loud, I show the zip lips card.
And I add a thumbs up when they go quiet.
What if someone looks pale?
We pause the line, take 2 breaths, and show the side exit.
Good. The path tape is bright.
The floor lights lead to each station.
I will hold a small flashlight at my waist, never in a face.
Gentle is the key.
I printed calm words for each room.
Read 1.
Mirror room. The ghost is only a sheet. Wave hello.
Nice. Next.
Hall of bats. Paper bats move with a fan. Look up, then look down.
Simple English, simple minds at peace.
We should practice a full run now.
I walk like a guest. You guide me.
Welcome. Please walk slowly. Breathe in.
Breathe out. My steps feel easy.
If you feel scared, look at the floor lights.
I feel okay. This plan can work.
We can save the event with calm.
The first group is here. 5 kids and 2 parents.
Welcome. No screaming. Use calm steps.
Thank you for soft voices. Please follow the tiny lights.
The little boy looks worried.
I kneel. You can hold this ribbon. I will walk with you.
Good move.
Mirror room ahead.
Friends, the ghost is only a sheet. Wave hello.
They wave. The boy smiles.
Hall of bats next. Look up, then look down.
The paper bats move. Feet stay slow.
I love how the parents whisper, wow.
Me too. Soft joy is still joy.
Final turn. Fog is gentle.
Here is the photo spot. No flash, just warm light.
The group leaves with small claps.
We did it.
2 more groups wait outside.
We keep the pace. Calm in, calm out.
I sip water. You good?
Good. Let the next group in.
Ivy, the fan is stronger now. The bats spin fast.
I will lower the speed.
Wait, the power flickers.
I heard a pop.
The speakers cut out.
The line stops moving. 2 teens start to shout.
I raise the stop sign and open my palm.
I hold up the breathe card and count with fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Voices drop a little.
I speak soft and slow. Lights will return. You are safe.
The emergency rope light turns on.
Good. Please look at the rope light. Follow my hand.
I guide the front to the side exit.
The teens giggle now, not shout.
I give them a job. Please help hold the door wide.
Smart. They feel useful.
Power's back.
Music returns at low volume.
I walk the group to the photo spot and give a quiet thumbs up.
The crowd claps without sound, just hands waving.
We saved the flow.
Calm tools worked.
The principal is at the door.
She looks worried.
I will speak first. We had a flicker. We used the calm plan.
She nods.
She asks about noise levels.
No screams. We used hand signs and slow words.
She smiles.
She says the clinic called to say thank you for the quiet.
That is the best note.
We still have the late crowd in 20 minutes.
Let us freshen the fog and check the tape.
I will refill water cups for parents.
I will reset the bats to low.
We end with a gratitude line.
Thank you for calm steps and soft voices.
And a tiny sticker that says, brave and quiet.
I love that.
We can do this last rush.
Together like before.
Last group is out, the gym is still and warm.
I'm proud of us.
Me too. Your stop sign saved the line.
Your finger count saved their breath.
The clinic will sleep well tonight.
The kids will dream of soft ghosts.
Let us take one photo by the rope light.
No flash, just calm gold.
What did you learn?
Spooky can be gentle.
Same. Quiet can be strong.
Next year we can add a calm corner with beanbags.
And a paper star ceiling.
Deal?
Tea now?
Yes. Lemon and honey for our voices.
We kept the rule and saved the event.
We did. Happy Halloween, partner.
Happy Halloween, partner.